Most traders know Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, and most traders know Kumo, the cloud. But almost nobody knows how powerful Chikou span breakout really is, especially when it comes after Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen cross in the right location. Today, I will show you a very clean and reliable Ichimoku strategy I use, the Chikou span breakout after Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen cross setup. It helps you avoid fake reversals, catch early trends, and enter at the right and perfect timing. Not too early, but not too late. Let's just jump in. When Ichimoku was created in Japan, Chikou span was designed to show the truth, the real relationship between the current price and the past equilibrium. However, most traders ignore it. So here's the idea. Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen cross is the momentum shift, but it doesn't always mean reversal. It simply means the trend is over. And the Chikou span breakout is the confirmation of the structure. When Chikou span breaks outside of the past price action, that's when the market officially clears space and begins a new trend. So combining Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen cross plus Chikou span breakout gives you high confidence timing. Let me summarize the strategy first. Step 1. Identify a previous trend, whether downtrend or uptrend. But let me explain in the case of buying the market. So this time, first identify a downtrend. Then step 2, look for a Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen gold cross below Kumo for buys. Tenkan-sen crosses above Kijun-sen is the bullish momentum, but because it's still below the Kumo, it's too early to enter, so we don't buy it. And step 3, wait for Chikou span to break above the past candles. This is the magic timing. Chikou span breaking above the price means the market is finally free from the resistance. And step 4, enter the trade on the Chikou span breakout candlestick. Stop loss goes below Kijun-sen or the swing low. For sell setups, everything is gonna be reversed. So Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen dead cross above the Kumo and wait for the Chikou span to break below the past price, then enter sell on that breakout. This is extremely powerful for trend reversals and trend continuation and the correction. Now let's go deeper and slowly. First, identify a downtrend. You'll see price below the Kijun-sen and Kumo itself is bearish and the Chikou span is below the candles. So the trend is clear. And number 2, watch for a Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen gold cross below the Kumo. So this is the early sign that the downtrend is losing the strength. If I move the candlesticks forward, then this is when Tenkan-sen, blue Tenkan-sen became above the Kijun-sen. But the Kumo is entering here is risky because the Kumo is still bearish and the price hasn't broken the structure yet and the Chikou span is still below the candlesticks. So what do? We wait. We wait for the Chikou span to break above the past price candlesticks. So let me move the chart forward. And this is exactly when Chikou span became above the past price candlesticks. When Chikou span breaks above like this, it means the past resistance is cleared and the price action becomes unblocked and bullish momentum finally has space to expand. This is the moment Ichimoku says the trend reversal is official. And number 4, we enter on the breakout candlestick. Stop loss goes below Kijun-sen or the nearest swing. The target will be the next resistance or the opposite side of the Kumo on higher time frame. I have noticed that the traders enter on Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen cross alone and they get trapped. Why? Because the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen cross below the Kumo can be a temporary pullback and a short-term noise and a small correction inside the bigger downtrend. But Chikou span breakout changes everything. Chikou span doesn't lie. When it clears the past price action, it tells you momentum and the structure and market psychologies are all aligned. This is what Japanese traders call shiome ga kawaru, meaning the tide has turned and the breakout has space to fly. Now let's flip it and let me show the bearish example. Number one, market was in uptrend with the price above the Kumo and Kijun Sen, meaning it's bullish structure. And number two, Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen dead cross above the Kumo, which happens right here. Again, do not enter here yet because this just means the momentum might be shifting. And number three, enter only when Chikou span breaks below the candles. And this is the true sell signal. And number four, stop loss above Kijun Sen or the swing high. And target will be to the next support level or the major low. And it's with exactly the same logic, but in opposite direction. And after that, the market goes down towards the major direction and renewing lower and lower this way. And this setup works the best when after a long and extended trend because momentum becomes easier to read, and when the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen cross happens outside or near the Kumo, which means clearer transition, and when Chikou span has a clear breakout, not halfway, not inside of the candles, but the clean breakout. Avoid trading this setup when Chikou span is stuck in sideways or market is ranging or no clear trend before Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen cross. Please remember, Ichimoku is a momentum system. No momentum, no trade. Here are some tips for risk management and psychology management. Number one, stop loss. Stop loss should be below Kijun Sen when you're buying or above the Kijun Sen when you're selling. Kijun Sen represents the market equilibrium, so once broken, the setup weakens. And number two, don't chase early entry. Tenkan Sen Kijun Sen cross is not an entry, it's only a heads up for you. And number three, Chikou span breakout is your timing tool. Chikou span confirms that the market is finally ready. And number four, quality over quantity. This setup doesn't happen every day, but when it does, it's clean and powerful. And number four, higher time frame alignment. Let's say weekly time frame shows a bullish Tenkan Sen Kijun Sen cross, and the daily time frame shows the Chikou span breakout after Tenkan Sen Kijun Sen cross. It's a stronger signal. Now, let me summarize the whole strategy in 20 seconds. Number one, identify the previous trend. Number two, watch for Tenkan Sen Kijun Sen cross in opposite direction. And number three, wait, don't enter yet. And number four, enter when Chikou span breaks above or below the past price. And number five, stop loss at Kijun Sen or swing. And number six, ride the trend as long as Kijun Sen is respected. Simple, clear, visual, and reliable. And this is how Ichimoku was meant to be used. If this video helps simplify Ichimoku for you, then please press the like button and please subscribe. It really helps the channel and motivates me to create more Ichimoku lessons. And if you want to learn Ichimoku the Japanese way, without shortcuts, without confusion, feel free to join my Ichimoku communities where I teach setups like this live with real charts and real examples and live trades when I see the setup. And also, please let me know in the comments, do you ever use Chikou span in your trading, or is this your first time seeing this method? Please let me know. So thank you for watching until the end and hope to see you again soon. Stay gold. またね。